Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain and functional groups. The compound is CH3CH or CH2OC2H5. It contains a hydroxyl group O and an ethoxy group OC2H5. Moving on to the next step. Identify the longest carbon chain containing the principal characteristic group O. The chain is CH3CH or CH2, which is a 3-carbon propane chain. Moving on to the next step. Number the chain to give the principal characteristic group or the lowest possible locant. Numbering from the CH3 end, C1 is equal to CH3, C2 is equal to CH or C3 is equal to CH2. Numbering from the other end, C1 is equal to CH2, C2 is equal to CH or C3 is equal to CH3. Both give O at position 2, but we choose the direction that gives the substituent, ethoxy, the lower locant. From the CH3 end, O hat C2 ethoxy at C3. From the CH2O end, O hat C2 ethoxy at C1. The direction giving ethoxy at C1, lower locant, is preferred, so C1 is equal to CH2O C2H5, C2 is equal to CH, or C3 is equal to CH3. And for the final step, name the compound. Parent chain is equal to propan 2-ol O hat C2. Substituent is equal to ethoxy at C1. Full name is equal to 1-ethoxypropan 2-ol. Evaluate other options. Option B, 3-ethoxypropan 2-ol is incorrect because it assigns a higher locant, 3, to the ethoxy group when a lower locant, 1, is possible. Option C, 1-ethoxy 2-hydroxypropane is an older substitutive name format that does not follow current IUPAC 2013 recommendations where the principal characteristic group suffix, ol, must be cited in the name with a locant. Option D is incorrect because option A is the correct IUPAC name. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.